Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.